guys, it's Sandra here, and today I would like to show you how I achieve these two variations on my everyday eyeshadow look. First, we're going to start out with a transition color in the crease. I'm just going to keep blending it in there until I'm happy with the results. For this look I am using the Wet n Wild palette. When I was filming it, the whole non-cruelty free issue did not rise yet, but since then it turned out that they've been lying for a while now about their cruelty-free status. Therefore I don't really want to advertise them anymore, but obviously I will use up the products I have. Then we move on to the dark shade in the palette and apply it, well, not the darkest one, this is more the orangey one, and we're going to apply it all over the lid. Then, to give a lovely shimmer to the eyes and also to brighten up the inner corners, I'm going to pat the Becca Opal highlighter on the inner corner and also bringing it in towards the middle of my eyes, and this really opens up the eyes. Next I'm gonna define my lash line a little bit more, just with the tiniest line, as you can see. Then we go back with the transition shade and I'm gonna blend it out on my lower lash line as well. We're going back with the Opal highlighter and I'm applying it in the inner corners of my eyes. I'm also adding it to the brow bone. And of course we can't forget mascara, and I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's one of my absolute favorites. Just look at the lashes it gives you. And that's it, that's the finished eye look. It's just really simple, but still makes a big difference. For the next look we're going with the same palette and we're starting with that orangey shade right in the crease, just on a small fluffy brush. Fluffy? I can't talk. Then we're gonna go in with the same transition shade as in the previous look on a bigger fluffy brush and blend out the crease a bit more and diffuse it. Then we're gonna go in with the deep warm brown shade and apply it all over the lid. And just keep packing it on till you're happy with the result and the intensity it gives you. It doesn't matter what eyeshadows you use, but it's important that it's a warm brown one, and you will see in a second why. We're gonna reach for a Becca highlighter again. This one is called Prismatic Amethyst. It's a beautiful iridescent pinky color. I'm just gonna apply it to the same place as the previous one, in the beginning and the middle of my eyelid. I also go back and deepen up the outer corner a bit, and if you don't pack this highlighter on a warm eyeshadow, it's not gonna get the same purpley pinky shade to it. Now we're gonna do the same step as in the previous eye look. I'm just applying the tiniest line to my lash line to define the lashes a bit. Then we're gonna go back with the darkest shade that we used on the lid and I'm just gonna blend it out on my bottom lash line. I'm also adding an eyeliner. This is from the Naked Cherry collection and it just goes beautifully with the pinky purpley look we already have going on. Then we go back to the highlighter and add it to the inner corner. On my brow bone I used a different highlighter, the same as I used on my face to tie it in, but the prismatic on my face would have been a bit too pink. And we go in with my favorite Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara again. That's it today, guys. Those are my 2 eyeshadow looks that I really do wear almost every single day when I go to work. I hope you like it and you will give this video a thumbs up. I didn't show my face makeup as you've seen me doing it many times before, but here there's a quick overview. I hope you will subscribe to my channel. There's a lot of beauty content and I will see you soon. Bye bye! Have a lovely day, guys.